Hi everyone, and welcome to AI Freelancers. Today, we're going to explore the 5 best AI tools to use in 2023 for content creation. These tools are game changers in various content creation domains: writing blogs, creating videos, designing websites, and more. Ready to leverage AI to streamline your creative process? Let's dive in. Our first tool is ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is an AI that can generate human-like text. This is great for blog writing, drafting emails, and generating creative content. To use it, just head over to the ChatGPT website and sign in or create a free account. Then, enter your desired topic or title and let ChatGPT generate your text. You can edit and tweak it as needed. ChatGPT makes content creation fast and easy, without sacrificing quality. For example, you could write a blog post about the benefits of AI for content creation. ChatGPT will then generate a blog post for you, complete with an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Our next tool is Jasper. Jasper is a paid AI writing tool that can help you create high-quality content for your blog. It can generate blog posts, articles, social media posts, and more. Jasper is known for its ability to write engaging and SEO-friendly content. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to your dashboard. To create a new piece of content, click the Create Content button. Choose the type of content you want to create from the drop-down menu. Enter your prompt. This is the text that you want Jasper to generate content for. Click the Generate Content button. Jasper will then generate content for you. You can then edit and publish the content as you see fit. Jasper is a powerful tool that can help you create high-quality content quickly and easily. With a little practice, you'll be able to use Jasper to create content that will impress your audience. Our third tool is Colossian. Colossian is a free AI tool that can create realistic videos from text scripts or voice recordings. This is perfect for creating explainer videos, product demos, or marketing videos. To use Colossian, go to the Colossian website and sign up for a new account. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to your dashboard. Enter your script. This is the text that you want Colossian to speak. Choose an avatar from the drop-down menu. Pick a voice of your choice. Click the Generate button. Colossian will then create a video for you. You can then download the video or share it online. Colossian is a powerful tool that can help you create engaging and informative videos quickly and easily. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned video creator, Colossian can help you take your videos to the next level. Our fourth tool is Framer. Framer is a drag-and-drop website builder that makes it easy to create a professional-looking website without any coding experience. Framer has a wide range of templates to choose from, as well as a variety of features to help you customize your website. To use Framer, simply go to the Framer website and create an account. Then, choose a template and start customizing your website by dragging and dropping elements onto the page. Use the AI assistant to get help with design decisions. Export your website to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Framer also offers a variety of tools to help you promote your website, such as SEO tools and social media integrations. When you are finished customizing your website, click the Publish button. Your website will then be live and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Framer AI is a great option for anyone who wants to create a website quickly and easily, without having to learn how to code. It is also a good option for businesses that want to create a website that is both visually appealing and SEO friendly. Our fifth and final tool is Canva. Canva is a graphic design platform that makes it easy to create high-quality graphics for your content using AI image generator. Canva has a wide range of templates to choose from, as well as a variety of tools to help you customize your graphics. To use Canva as an AI image generator, simply go to the Canva website and create an account. Then, click Generate AI Images. Describe the image you want to create, then press on Create Image. Canva also offers a variety of tools to help you resize your graphics for different platforms. When you are finished customizing your design, click the Download button. And there you have it, 5 powerful AI tools to turbocharge your content creation process in 2023. Remember, the future of content creation is here, and it's being shaped by AI. So why not get ahead of the curve? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things AI and freelancing. Got questions, ideas, or experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. This is AI Freelancers, your guide to the future of content creation. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep exploring the possibilities with AI.